And that's my brother. So today, yes, it is today. I know it's today. Yes, it is today. I would want to know if you guys would like to see, well, Call of Duty videos. Because I can do them, but they probably won't be HD. Because, you know, I just have a new channel, and if I get, like, really into it, and then I will get more stuff and yeah. And yes.
Are you gonna get a bike?
Be quiet, Brandon.
Are you
Okay.
gonna get a bike?
No, I'm not, Brandon. Okay, so yeah, please ignore that. I'm sorry about all these videos and that stuff. Okay, so just tell me in the comment section and tell me if you want to see what kind of, like, videos, like, what kind? Like, biking videos, Call of Duty videos, hockey videos, some stuff like that. And also tell me if you want to see me on, like, biking stuff, like, if you want to see me do, like, just, put in the comment section what kind of videos you'd like to see. Yeah, because I can probably do them. You never know, right? And if you guys could do that, I would really love that. So, please rate, comment, and subscribe on my other videos. Peace out. Bye.